Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to cancel my Squarespace account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. In your home menu, click on settings and select billing. Right now I don't have any active subscription, so here is no option to cancel account or subscription. So I'm going to show you the process using this article. So in home menu, click on settings and select billing, and under subscriptions click your site subscription. This will be website or commerce depending on your plan. Click cancel subscription. This will be website or store depending on your plan. Select your reason for canceling your subscription for the drop down menu, then click on next. Complete the rest of the form to share your experience with Squarespace. If you prefer not to answer, click on next. If you have active subscription attached to your site, you will see your other subscription panel. Review your subscription, then click continue. You can also cancel them later. Click cancel subscription. This will be website or store depending on your plan. So this was how we can delete or cancel our Squarespace account. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.